Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. In this particular episode, I will try and attempt to change the battery inside this Casio LTP 1170. Alright, shoot, I bent it. Anyhow, it ain't even moving. There you go. There you go. Okay. So, there you go. I hope that I have this replacement. This is, I can hardly read it, but let me see if I have the battery for this. Nope, I do not. Okay, and I'm back. And guess what? I got something in the mail today. These are the SR626SW battery replacement for this Casio watch here. Hopefully it works and we get to use this watch, okay? I already opened it. It took me a while though, off camera. Okay. So what I've done was to lay the battery on this side first, and then push it down, just kind of like a coin type, and it's working now. Got my Giotto. Okay, after been trying, it looks like I'm gonna have to use the same bent spring bar. I mean, it's not bent that bad, but seems like the other ones doesn't fit. So we're just gonna use this. I definitely hate doing this. I don't know, man, for the people that fix watch, I gotta give it to y'all. Much respect, because this I can't be seeing myself doing this for a living, No disrespect. Oh man. There you go. Come on, focus. Alright. So it's about 5:30 in the AM. Okay. I adjusted the date already. Today is the July 20th and 5:30, 5:31 now. There you go. That's how you replace the battery and put the spring bar back on the bracelet. I must say this is a nice woman's watch, you know, very classy, stainless steel with the clasp, Casio. It's a beautiful woman's watch, you know. So if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world, bye world. Peace.